You won't believe this, but according to recent studies, only 15% of salaried employees ever become millionaires. That means the majority of people working hard in their 9-to-5 jobs will never achieve significant wealth. But how is that possible? Shouldn't those with stable careers and reliable incomes be the ones best positioned for financial success? Or does earning a comfortable salary actually prevent us from getting rich? Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the intricacies of making money. In today's video, we are going to delve into the surprising truth behind salaries and wealth. We will discuss whether a seemingly comfortable salary can hinder our path to riches, and what factors contribute to this phenomenon. Stay tuned as we uncover the insights that could change the way you think about money and career. As a kid growing up, we are all told to focus on our education and get a good job so that we can have a decent life. For many, the dream job means financial security and a comfortable lifestyle. However, when we look around, we realize that many people with high-paying, prestigious jobs are not actually rich. They might have a lot of money in their bank accounts, but they don't have true wealth. So the big question is, why do most salaried employees struggle to build wealth, even when they earn a decent income? Can a comfortable salary really prevent us from getting rich? To understand this phenomenon, let's first break down the problem. On the surface, it might seem like people with regular jobs should be in a great position to accumulate wealth. After all, they have a steady income, benefits, and a predictable work schedule. However, there are many aspects of salaried jobs that can hinder wealth accumulation. Firstly, career progression. Many salaried jobs offer limited opportunities for advancement, which means that even if you are talented and hardworking, your earning potential may be capped. Secondly, financial literacy is crucial when it comes to managing your finances and investing wisely. Unfortunately, many salaried employees lack the knowledge and skills to make the most of their income. Thirdly, lifestyle inflation. As our income grows, so do our expenses. This can leave us with little or no money left over to save and invest. Fourthly, the high cost of living. In major cities, the cost of living can be high, making it difficult to save money, especially when you have student loans or other debts to pay off. Finally, lack of financial goals. Many people don't have a clear understanding of their financial goals or a plan to achieve them. Without a roadmap, it can be difficult to stay motivated and committed to saving and investing. However, there are many examples of people who have built significant wealth through their salaried jobs. Take the case of Dr. Dre, the famous rapper and entrepreneur. He started his career as a radio DJ and then became a producer, earning a steady income and building his skills. Over time, he invested in real estate, launched successful businesses, and built a strong investment portfolio, which contributed to his overall wealth. Another example is Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul and philanthropist. She started her career as a news anchor, earning a modest salary. However, she quickly rose through the ranks and eventually became the host of her own talk show, which became a massive success. Through her show, she built a media empire that generated hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue, making her one of the richest women in the world. Both Dr. Dre and Oprah Winfrey were able to accumulate wealth through their salaried jobs by investing wisely, diversifying their income streams, and continuously improving their skills. They also had a clear vision for their future and were willing to take risks to achieve their goals. If you want to become rich, it's important to remember that having a comfortable salary is just the beginning. It's what you do with that salary that truly matters. With careful planning, smart investments, and a willingness to take risks, you can set yourself up for financial success. even if you have a salaried job. Now let's move on to the next. What if I told you that it's not too late to change your financial situation? With just a few simple steps, you can start seeing results immediately. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share your thoughts, suggestions, or any relevant links in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. And if you want to watch more videos like this, you can click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.